Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you two different Hobonichis. They are both the Techos, and they are, one's called the original in the Avec A6 size, and one is the cousin Avec in the A5 size. So I'm going to open these up and then we're going to walk through them. The thing with the Avec is it is split into two sections. So you have January to June and July to December. So I'm just going to give you through the first half of the years. I guess the second half will be the duplicates. So the fun thing is the 6 is definitely in a smaller size, you can see, and then the A5 is definitely quite larger. So the similarities are pretty much, you'll see, everything is the same, just in a smaller size. So you have your years at a glance, and then you have, I'm not sure what they technically use this as, but a lot of people are looking for habit trackers. So obviously there's only 2 months on a page, whereas you get 3 months on a page for the bigger. So there's some slight differences. And then let's pull into the months section. Your months, your squares are about 2 of the little squares less each size. So they're pretty small, which, you know, on the go and stuff, I think this would be a great planner, or for different memory keeping or health tracking, things like that. So the biggest thing with the A6 original is that it only has the months and then the days. So if you're looking for, like, this one has the weeks and the days. So if you're looking for something that has the weeks, this would not be a good option for you. So this has a nice size, you know, for the days. I think you could definitely do some memory keeping in here, or tracking of your days, maybe more in depth if you needed to, or journaling. I think there's a lot of possibilities for this size. And then for this size, obviously this is the one I work in almost all the time, and I love. It is a good size. I was just going to show you. This is the one that I work in all the time, and yeah, so they're the exact same. So they're just, this is the full year because it's the cousin, and this is the Avec that is half a year, which I think for memory keeping is really good. If you like to add a lot for stickers and such a lot, it gives you lots of space and you don't have to worry about it bulking up too much. But I think the bad part is once you get to that June, July, sometimes it's kind of weird, or it feels weird because you've got your calendar split. So if that bothers you at all, then I would definitely say go for this one, cousin Techo, and just have it all in one little swoop. So yeah, so that's the difference between these two. I thought it would be fun to show you, and actually 3 if you want to add that one in. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. I'll leave links for these in my description. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and we will see you again soon.